Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys enjoying your days. Today in this video I'm going to show you how can you put reminders on iPhone. So at first just go to your reminders. Now in the reminders click the bottom left new reminder. Now you can give a title for the reminder. After putting title and notes, click on details. You can select the date of the reminder. Now toggle on date. You can select the date from here in the calendar. Now you can also select the time, just toggle on time. You can also select repeat for this reminder. Click on repeat. You can select it monthly, weekly, even daily and hourly. I'm just selecting yearly. You can also select text for this reminder. Now click the top right done. You can select the location to turn on for this reminder. You can also toggle on when messaging and it will show you notification when chatting with that person you are messaging. You can click choose person and you can choose in the contact list. You can also turn on flags. And here you can see priority. You can choose priority for this reminder. You can set the priority to low, medium and high. You can also add image for this reminder. You can select the image from photo library. And after completing all these things, click the top right add. And that's how you can successfully put a reminder on iPhone. So guys, that's how you can put reminder on iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.